This video is going to demonstrate how to set up reverb on a channel on the SSL. I've got this channel set up right now to receive input from this keyboard. And we're going to add reverb to it. Okay, so one of the first things to point out is over here on the patch bay, you can see that FX1 is normal to Bricasti in left. And you can see that the Bricasti out left and right, it's a stereo return, are normaled to the returns 1 through 4. So Bricasti out, normaled to 1L and 1R of the returns. The first thing we need to do on the SSL is come over here to the FX1 pot, push it to turn it on, and then give it signal. I'm going to give it a lot for our demonstration. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to watch this meter right here that says FX. We're sending to FX1, so it's this first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we're going to press the keyboard. You can see signal there. Nothing happening on that FX1. So we're going to come over here and check out the FX1 section. And it looks like, and this happens, that someone turned it all the way off. Really, it should be there when you zero out the board. And if it gets turned all the way down, nothing is going to come out of FX1. So let's try it again. There we go. You can see that signal there on FX1. And then let's look over here at the Bricasti. You can see that signal showing on the Bricasti meter. But we still can't hear the reverb. So there's one last step that we actually need to do, which is, as I mentioned earlier, the Bricasti out is normaled into the return. So we're going to come over here to the return section. There's 4 returns, and we're using return 1. That's what's normal to the Bricasti. And today we are listening on the mix bus. So we are going to tell that return to go to the mix bus. And we also need to make sure there's level here. Someone could have turned that off, and we want to make sure that's got some level. So now you can hear the reverb.